Bonjour tout le monde. Hi everybody. Back at it again with another educational video for all your homeschooling needs. Today we're going to work on strengthening our foundation, our numeracy skills to help us with addition and subtraction. So adding, putting things together, and subtracting, taking something away from a group. So I have an activity. You might want to try this at home. I'm going to be using some yogurt-covered cranberries because they're delicious. But you can use anything that you have in quantity, like beans, dried pasta, Lego, stuff like that. So numbers can be made up in different ways, and knowing that will really help you when it comes to adding and subtracting. What does that mean? Well, let me show you. Call it a number. I think I heard someone say 3. So we have the number 3. So that means I need 3 delicious yogurt-covered cranberries. So we have 3. So 3 can be, I'm going to write on the side here. 3 can be 1 and 2. So 3 can be made up of 1 plus 2. Does everybody see that at home? Awesome. It could also be 2 and 1. We just flipped it. Does that make sense? Cool. It could also be just 3 on its own and 0. 1 and 2, 2 and 1, 3 and 0. Do you see any other ways to make 3? Yeah, I don't either. So let's try a different number. Let's move up one. Let's go up to 4. So 4 can be what we're seeing here, 4 and 0. So we can even say 4 plus 0. 4 can also be 3 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 and 1. Just like that. Now we're going to move one over to this side. 4 can also be 2 and 2. So we know that 2 and 2 makes 4. If you're going to slide one more over to this side, it can be 1 and 3. We did 3 and 1. Now it's just the opposite. So 1 and 3. And 0 and 4. Now, if you take a look at this, you can actually see a pattern evolving. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 0. So we're going up by 1 on one side and down by 1 on the other. Same thing over here. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going down on one side and up on the other. Because really, if you take 1 from one side, where is it going? Right over to the other side. Now, I would recommend doing this all the way to 10, just to start. Mix it up. And if you haven't already done so, watch my video on Friends of 10. It's what we're doing here, just knowing all the different ways to make 10. It's really gonna help if you can get those pushed into your brain, because then you'll be able to do subtraction and addition way easier if you know these facts. Now, I'm also gonna show you how knowing this can help you with subtraction. So let's just stick with 3 and 4. We got those numbers down. Why complicate things, right? Life's already so complicated. So we're going to take 3 and 4, and I'm going to make another page, but I'm going to keep this in view. I'm also going to eat one of these delicious yogurt-covered cranberries. So let's start with 4, because I already have 4 out there. So let's say I have 4 in total. Let's count them all again. I won't eat them, I promise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I'm going to take away, and when I say take away, I hope you know exactly what I mean. I'm going to eat. I'm going to take away 1. 4 minus 1, subtract 1, equals, I know you shouldn't talk with your mouth full. Sorry, kids. 1, 2, 3. 4 minus 1 equals 3. We had 4 to start. Mr. Steve ate one. Got 3 left. You with me? Awesome. So, in order for me to keep up with 4, I gotta add another one. It's an addition. 3, count them, 3, we're gonna add 1, makes 4. Now, we got 4, we're gonna take away 1 and 2. Four, take away 2. What we got left? 1, 2. Because 4 minus 2 is 2. Now, well, let's just take a little look over here and do a little comparison. So, focusing on 4, we said that 4 can be 4 and 0, 3 and 1, 2 and 2, 1 and 3, and 0 and 4. So if we have 4 and we take away 1, the answer is 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 take away 1 is 3. Mind blown. Do you see the connection? Subtraction and addition are totally connected, and knowing all the ways to make up a number are really going to help. So for you at home, here is your assignment. Numbers 1 to 10. Try and find all the ways to make up every number. We've already done 3 and 4. So you need to start with 1, 2, and then all the way up to 10. You got this. So building that foundation and knowing all the different ways to make up a number will really help you with the next step. Okay, mes amis, au revoir. I hope this really helped. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you next time.